You played with your cousins. That's nice. Very good. Okay. So you enjoyed very well. Good morning, Satvika.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Thank you, everyone. Yes. Good morning, Dev Krish. We'll start. Come on, children. Please sit straight. We're going to start now. Close your eyes. Very good. Come on, Vivan. Parnas, come on, close your eyes, dear. It's the anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Open your eyes slowly. Good morning. A big good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We already said Pranita. Many good mornings. Good morning, Vishank.
Good morning,
Good morning, Neha.
ma'am.
Okay. Yes, shall we start the warm up? Ready, everyone, for the warm up? Yes, Siddharth, Dev Krish, Vishank, Satvika is ready. What about others? Yes, Vishank, I can see ready. Pranita is ready. One, two, all ready? Neha, ready? Show me thumbs up, Neha. Okay, ready.
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Tiger! Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Elephant! Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Kangaroo! Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, jump, jump,
Jump.
jump like a kangaroo. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Crocodile! Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, snap, clap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, fly, fly. Fly like an eagle. Fly, fly, fly. Fly like an eagle. Stop.
Okay, come back to your place, children. Very good. Good morning, Karthikeyan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Aiden.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am.
Oh, yes, tell me, Zadie. Your sister.
Warm up, ma'am. Doing warm up.
Wow. Your sister. Okay, your sister is also doing warm up. I'm so happy. That's a family time. Very nice. Okay. Did she like the song, Zadie? Zadie, did your sister like the song? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
stop your sister, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So you have taught your sister how to stop. Very good. Okay. So we'll start with the attendance. Aiden. Aiden.
Here I am. Oh, yeah, ma'am.
Good. Devarakshita. Dev Krish.
Here I am, ma'am. Yo.
Very good. Danvin. Dikshan.
Ma'am, yo.
Okay. Dhruv. Can you say here I am? Dhruv. Good. Farnas.
Here I am, yo.
Good. Hashini.
Here I am, yo.
Good. Iron. No. Janavi.
Here I am, yo.
Okay. Karthikeyan.
Here I am, yo.
Good. Kaviyarini.
Here I am, yo.
Okay. Naitik. Neha.
Here I am, yo.
Okay. Nitila.
Here I am, yo.
Good. Nukshita.
Here I am, yo.
Okay. Prajesh. No. Pranita.
Here I am, yo.
Good. Rohita.
Here I am, yo.
Good. Satvika.
Here I am, yo.
Sailesh.
Here I am, yo.
Okay. Hi, Sailesh.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Captain America. Okay. Siddharth.
Here I am, yo.
Okay. Tejas. Tarnika.
Here I am, yo.
Vishank.
I am, yo.
Vivan.
Oh. Yo.
Zadie.
Here I am, yo.
Okay, only once. Okay, very good. Okay, before we start the class today, I have a small announcement, children. This Friday, I believe this Friday, okay? So we might have the Independence Day celebration. So we are going to plan a craft, okay? So I'll just show you the template of the craft and how it is going to look like. First, let me show you. This is the badge. Okay, this is the independence badge we are going to make. We are going to hang it on our chest. Okay, we have okay. Those who can, I repeat, those who can, you can come dress up like any national leader or any freedom fighter. Okay, you can come dress up like any national leader, be it state or the whole India, or you can come dress up like a freedom fighter. Okay, and after you can give a speech to or whatever you have prepared, at least 2-3 lines. Okay, and so it's today Monday. Okay, so we have 4 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We are going to have the activity on Friday. So please prepare. Okay, I want all 27 to talk independently without your parents' help. Okay, whatever you prepare, if it's a 3-line or a 4-line or 5-line, whatever, whichever is easy for you. Okay, but I want to talk independently. You have come to senior KG. So you're going to talk about any national leader or any freedom fighter. If possible, you can dress up like them. If not, at least the speech. Okay, and then you're going to do, after you do the speech, only when you do the speech, you'll get the badge. If not, you're not going to get the badge. Okay, so this is the badge we're going to do. I'll share the photo in the WhatsApp group, and this will be the template. Okay, you just cut and bring this template for the class. Okay, here we will color with crayons or color pencil, and here we will do a fingerprint. If not fingerprint, you can do it coloring also. Okay, I tried fingerprint here. Okay, we can do fingerprint here, and here we'll do coloring. So this activity we have planned for this Friday. Understood, everyone? Yes, can anybody tell me what are we going to do this Friday? Can anybody tell me? Raise your hand. Let me see if you have understood or not. I asked you to raise your hand. Yes, I saw Dev Krish. Come on, Dev Krish, tell me.
Independent.
Yes, correct. Tell me no. Okay. So what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Okay. That's okay. You at least understood the name. Yes, Sailesh. No problem, Dev Krish. Yes, Sailesh.
Freedom fighter.
Freedom fighter.
Fighter.
Okay. So yes, Zedi.
Freedom fighter.
Yeah, you're going to dress up like a freedom fighter or any national leader. Yes, Tarnika. And what craft you're going to do? Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Bench.
Badge. Yes, we are going to do the badge. Okay, so will you all prepare for the talk time and come on Friday? Yes, Rohita, will you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rohita, very good. So everybody understood? Clear? Any questions? I'll take it up at the end. Okay? Yes, thank you, Visha. So that is what I want to share you first thing. Good morning, Prajesh. Good morning, Prajesh. Good morning, Prajesh. I heard you. Okay, so let's spin the wheel, children. Let's get started now. Sailesh, your brother is with you for the class today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. My God.
Whose name is that?
Silence.
Sailesh, I just called you. I was surprised that you got your name there. Okay. So Sailesh, let's read. Okay. So what we're going to do? I want all of you to read with Sailesh and myself. Okay. Let's read. Ready, Prajesh? Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Yes, we are. Okay, come on. Sailesh, read the first letter.
சொல்லு கட்டாது.
Very good. Good.
Correct.
Correct. Caught.
Correct.
Not.
Not.
Ought. Not. Very good.
B. Ought.
Got.
What? Anga pair. D. அப்புறம்
Dot. Dot. Okay. Thank you, Sailesh. Let's give a big round of clap for Sailesh. Very good. Rocket clap. Okay, good. Okay. Thank you, Sailesh. Okay, so as Sailesh said, OT, oct, ought. D, ought, dot. C, ought, caught. N, ought, not. L, ought, lot. Okay, so next we are going to read OB, ob words. Let me share the screen. We'll spin quickly. Whose name is that?
Vishank, ma'am.
Vishank. Shall we read Vishank?
Okay, ma'am.
The screen is not visible now. Ma'am?
Ma'am. Yes, it's you, ma'am.
Okay. I think I'm sorry I closed the screen which we were talking. Yes. Okay. Yes, Vishank.
Ought.
D.
No.
Oh, no.
No.
First, any letter.
Vishank. First, what is the letter? The first letter.
O.
Okay. What's the next letter?
D.
D. What is sound of O? O sound is octopus. What is sound of B?
B.
Op. Very good.
T. Top.
Very good.
R. Rob.
Very good.
C. Cob.
Very good.
Lob.
Very good. G.
No.
No. G. What is the sound? Gorilla. Goat.
G up, G up, G up. Gub.
Gob.
Gob. Okay, what letter sounds as j, Vishank? G sounds as g. What letter? What letter sounds as j?
Mm,
J.
G.
J. Okay, J sounds as juice. Jam. It's J. Whereas G sounds as g. Gorilla. Always remember, when you see G, the sound is g as in gorilla, g as in gum, g as in goat. Okay, it's for all of you. It's not only for Vishank. So G sounds as g as in gorilla. Only J sounds as juice, jam. Okay, good. Very good. Neatly read, Vishank. Big round of clap. Rocket clap for Vishank too. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, you're welcome. Wonderful. So ob, ob, gob. N, ob, knob. Neha, can you say please? Ob, dob. C, ob, cob. T, ob, tob. Okay, very well done. Now we are quickly going to recall what did we learn last week. Okay, I'll just call out the name quickly. You're going to help me to find out. I forgot many things what we learned last week. Will you help me, children? You all remember what ma'am taught you last week? Devkrish is saying yes. Okay, come on, Devkrish. I'm going to start with you then. Tell me the food plants eat. Come on, Devkrish.
Soil.
One more.
Air. Yes, air. It's not
excuse me,
hair.
ma'am.
Air.
He's saying hair, ma'am, not saying
That's what I'm
hair.
telling. It's not hair. This is hair. Touch your hair and show me. Yeah, that's hair. Okay. Air. Plants doesn't need our hair for making food. Okay. The air. Kaatu. That is air. Air. Can you say air, Devkrish? Air. Open your mouth and say. If you say ha, that is hair. Now we are saying air. Open your mouth and say air. Kaatu. Okay? Plants need that. Yes. Very good, Devkrish. A big rocket clap. Yes. Plants need sunlight, water, soil, and air for making their food. Good. Okay. Now quickly, I just left one thing that they. What do we get from plants? We talked about cupboards. We talked about pencil, eraser. We forgot about dresses. We saw about shrub. Can anybody quickly recall and tell me the example of shrub? What I showed you in the picture.
Plants. Cotton plant.
Very good, Tarnika. Yes, cotton plant. So cotton is useful for making cotton dress. Rocket clap for Tarnika. Very good. So when I say rocket clap or when I say wow clap, I want all of you to clap for your friend. It's not only me. Okay? Then only when you do something good, all will clap for you. Okay? Yes, very good, Tarnika. Yes, cotton. We get cotton and we can make cotton dress. So we also get dresses from plants. Okay? Okay, what about sweater, children? Do we get sweater from plants? Anybody? Raise your hand. I just want you to raise your hand. Is anybody there who tells me we get sweater from plants? Yes, Neha. Do we get sweater from plants?
No.
No. So where do we get sweaters from?
Animal.
Animals. Very good. I saw Prajesh who was raising a hand. Prajesh, tell me. Do we get sweaters from plants?
Sheep.
Yes, we get from sheep. Very good. Okay. So we don't get sweaters from plants, but we get the cotton dresses from plants. Okay. So now quickly, one by one, let me call. You're going to tell me one thing we get from plants. Okay, I think today Siddharth is going to talk about oil. Something else also. Oil and rubber, you told me the other day. Tell me something else, okay? Okay, I'm going to start quickly from Kavyani. Tell me one thing we get from plant. Kavyani,
Air.
what do we get from plant?
Air.
Air. Plants need air for making food. We get oxygen, we can say, from plant. Okay, I will take that answer right. Okay, Kavyani. Neha. What do you get?
Hello.
We get?
Hello.
She's telling shadow, ma'am.
We get shadow. Wow, very nice answers, children. Very different answers. Yes. Okay. We get shadow. Dhruv.
Okay, na?
Rohita, please stay on mute. Dhruv, what do you get from plants?
Plant. Flower.
Mm-hmm.
Medicine.
Okay. One thing will do. Yes. Kavyani said we get air. Yes, we get fresh air from plants and trees. Correct. Neha said we get shadow. Yes, when it's very hot, we stand under the tree. Plants and big trees give us shadow. That's very nice. Dhruv said about flowers. What about Kartikeyan? What do you get from plants? Can you repeat it?
Pencil, ma'am. Pepper and pencil, ma'am.
I don't know why I'm not able to hear you. Give me a second. Can you talk little slowly? It's echoing for me.
Pepper and pencil, ma'am.
I got it now. Thank you, Karthikeyan, for being so patient with me. Yes, thank you. Very good. Yes, we get paper and pencil. Big rocket clap for Karthikeyan, Kavyani and Neha. Come on, children. Big rocket clap for Karthikeyan, Kavyani and Neha. Very good. Okay. You have to wait for your chance. Please, others, you have to wait for your chance. Others, please stay on mute. Yes, Rohita. What do we get from plants?
Plants gives medicine.
Medicines. Very good. Plants gives us medicine. Good. Tarnika.
Fruits, vegetables.
Fruits, vegetables. Good. Dev Krish. Fruits. Air. Okay. Yes, Hashini.
Books.
We get books. Very good. Hashini, Dev Krish, Tarnika, and Rohita. Give for them. Please give a big round of rocket clap. Very good, children. Okay. Yes. Now it's chance for Aiden. What do you get from plants?
Firewood.
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 Okay.
Para.
Firewood.
I heard you. Thank you. Nukshita.
Gum.
Gum. Very good. Pranita.
Chair, ma'am.
Okay, good. Janavi. You're on mute.
Yes, ma'am. Medicine.
Get medicine.
Oxygen.
Okay.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, Siddharth. What do we get from plants?
Oxygen.
Mm-hmm.
Tea. Oil. Vegetables. Spice.
Thank you, Siddharth. Yes, very, very good. Dikshan.
Wood for buildings.
Very good. Wood for buildings. Okay. Doors and windows. Good. Farnas.
Ma'am.
What we get from plants?
Wood. Wood.
Wood. Okay.
Baskets. Fruits. Vegetables. Pencil.
Time.
Pencil.
Good. Very good. Paper.
That's all.
That's it. Thank you,
Yes,
Varna.
ma'am.
Stylish. 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 Stylish, what do we get from plants?
1 minute. Stylish, what do you get from plants?
Apple.
Mama,
Apple, okay. We get apple from plants. Good, Satvika.
Vegetable.
Vegetables. And Satvika, what did I made a kind request on Friday? You should sit in the class and listen to what your friends are saying. You should not move up. Okay? Can you please sit down your place, Satvika? Yes? Then only you can clap for your friends, right? Yes. Thanks. No, you don't want to clap, then nobody is going to clap for you too. Nitila, what do you get from plants?
Vegetables.
Fruits and vegetables. Prajesh,
Vegetables. Yes, ma'am.
fruits and vegetables. Okay, Vishant,
சொல்லுங்க.
Coffee beans. Spices.
coffee bean spices, very good. Vivan,
Eraser.
eraser. Okay, eraser, you're showing me. Show and tell. Okay, good, Vivan. Zedi, what do we get from plants?
Yes, ma'am.
What do we get from?
Basket. Basketball.
Basketball we get from plants.
Basket. Coffee.
Okay.
Vegetables.
Okay. Thank you, Zedi. Okay. So as you all said, we get coffee, tea, wooden furnitures, fruits, vegetables, oils, rubber, pencil, gum. Nukshita said that's a very good point. Wood, doors, windows, all these from plants. So today we are going to learn. On that day we learned how does plants get food from. They get it from, again one more time, everyone together with me. Sunlight, air, water, and soil. Okay, and the process or the steps taken to make food is called cooking. Photosynthesis. Good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. So now,
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm
Yeah, tell me.
Silas' mother. Yeah. So actually now we are going
Yeah.
to travel. So he'll be in class only, but he'll not be able to write anything. So you
Okay,
just teach
no
him
problem.
and let him write.
sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So today we are going to see how the plant grows. Okay. So many of you previous weeks when we had Go Green, you all planted small plants or you planted seeds, right? So I just wanted to show you. See, I've just got a pumpkin seed. Can you all see what I'm showing in the camera? Let me try to
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so this is pumpkin seeds. Okay, so if we have to put this seed in the soil, okay, and we have to pour little water. So what will happen? From the seed, okay, and from the bottom there will be root. From the seed, bottom that root will grow and the top stem will grow in the soil. Okay, I've just got, this is a different plant. This is not pumpkin, but I just got a different plant to show you. Can you all see, children? The seed is the seed which I showed you, no? Something like this. It was like this. Okay, when we put it in the soil. Are you listening with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Yes,
So we
ma'am.
have when we put the seed in the soil and we pour little water daily, the seed will break and you will get a root like this at the bottom, and at the top you will have stem and leaves like this. So the small seed will break and the bottom you will get root, and at the top you will get stem and leaves. Okay, the steps in which the plants grow from the seed to a small plant, then little big, then a big plant, no? That is called germination. What is it called? Pranita, can you open your mouth and say germination?
Germination.
One more time, Pranita.
Germination.
Very good. So the plants growing from small seed to a small plant, and then little big, and then a big plant, and then a tree. It's called germination. From the small seed, the plant is going. See, this is the seed, and the bottom it grows. After some time, the seed will fall down, and the plant will grow into a big plant. Okay, that's called germination. Okay, I'll quickly show you a picture. So this is the worksheet you did, right? So you get chair from tables. This is all you did. Okay. Yes, here. This is what I want to show you. If you see in this process, first seed, then a small sapling, and the bottom you will get root, and at the top you will get a stem. As I showed you, from the seed, the root will come down, stem will grow up, and you will get flowers, fruits, and vegetables. So this first one is seed. And the small plant, no, when this from the seed, you get a small plant. That is called sapling. Can Nitila unmute and say, Nitila, sapling.
Clapping.
Sapling.
Clapping.
One more time, Nitila. Can you sit properly? Can you sit properly first? Sit properly.
Clapping.
I want you to sit properly first. Then only I'm going to hear. Cross up your legs and sit properly. And say sapling. One more time, please.
Clapping.
Very good. Sapling. Okay. So small baby plant is called sapling. Okay. So this worksheet, seed, small sapling, and then root will go up or down. Vivan, the root is going up or down? The root is, yes, root is going down. What about down? What about stem? What about stem? Green color. Is it going up or down? Up. So root is going down. Can you say with me, Vivan? Root goes down.
Wood go down, wood go up. No.
No, which goes up? Stem.
Stem go up. Wood go down.
Very good. Root goes down, stem goes up. Okay. So this, what we are going to do is we are just going to draw the same thing what is there. If you see, draw the pictures in the correct order of germination. Okay. So one is seed, second a small plant, then third root goes down, stem goes up. Last one, root goes down, stem goes up bigger, and it has a flower. So can you all draw this at home? The same one in the same order. So first one, seed. Let me call Prajesh. Can you tell with me? Seed,
Seed.
sapling,
Sapling.
root goes down,
Root goes down.
stem goes up.
Stem goes up.
Thank you, Prajesh. Aiden.
Sapling. Seed.
Seed. Clapping.
Root goes down,
Root goes down.
Stem goes up.
Goes up.
And from the stem we get flowers.
Flowers.
Okay, thank you, Aiden. Okay, so that's called, what is that process called? Anybody? Farnas? Germination.
Germination.
Thank you, Aiden.
Germination.
Yes, Dikshan, can you say germination, Dikshan?
Germination.
Very good. Janavi, germination.
Germination sapling.
Okay, sapling is what? Sapling is what, Janavi?
Root.
No. Think.
Root comes at a tree.
Small plant is called sapling.
Small plant on tree.
Small plant from the seed is called sapling. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Nukshita. You're on mute, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Germination.
Germination.
Rohita, can you say sapling?
Sapling.
What is sapling, Rohita? Small baby plant is called sapling. What is sapling?
Sapling.
Baby plant.
Some baby plant.
Yes. Hashini, what is sapling?
Small baby plant.
Very good. Small. Pranita, what is sapling?
Baby plant, ma'am.
Very good. Neha. Small baby plant is called?
Apple.
Sapling.
Sapling.
Okay. Thank you, children. Okay. So can we all do a quick small activity, transition activity? Ready, everyone? Yes? Okay. I'm not going to say what activity is that. Okay. You are going to guess it. Can you all close your eyes? Come on, can you all close your eyes? Why? Because after this activity, we are going to do a very, very important worksheet, tens and ones. Okay, so I want all of you to be fresh when we start that. Can you all please close your eyes? Ready? Okay. I don't know if you can hear that. Let me see. Give me a second, children. Give me a second. Let me try opening it here. What was that?
Rain.
Rain. So what you should all do? So what you should all do? What you should all do? You should stand up and go in the rain. Say one more time. One more time.
No picture.
One more time.
No picture, ma'am.
You can only hear. You can only hear. Come on, go in the train. Go in the train. Did you all go in a train? Yes, no. I saw many of you were sitting. Nobody went to the train. I went to the train and it came back. Okay, come on, children. At the last, one more time. Okay, so now we are going to recall tens and ones, which we started learning on Friday. Okay, can everybody stay on mute, please? So what did we saw that day, the children? We'll for numbers we have two rooms. What are the 2 rooms? Anybody?
Constant.
Very good. Yes. In a house of numbers, there are 2 rooms. The first room is called. Thank you, everyone. Now it's my chance. Thank you for helping. Tens and ones. Okay, the first room is called tens, and the second is called ones. So when we have a number 5, 3, 53, Karthikeyan, can you help me in finding out which is tens and which is ones? How many digits are there?
5.
How many digits?
2 digits.
How many? Yes, 2 digits are there. 5 is there, 3 is there. There are 2 digits. Okay. So what is the first number will go to which room? It will go to tens room or ones room? In the house, which is the first room? Which is the next room? Which is the next room? Ones room. So the first number T will go to tens room and 3 will go to ones room.
Yes.
Okay? Yes. Okay. Now let me show you quickly this. Yes. Your voice was little breaking, Karthikeyan, but I was able to get your answer. Okay? Yes. Let me call. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Zadie. Can you read this number?
28.
So, how many digits are there here in 28?
2.
How many? 2 digits. So, first number 2 will go to which room? Tens room or ones room? Tens room. And 8 will go to ones room. Okay. Thank you, Zadie. Vivan.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் சொல்லு நம்பர் படிமா ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
What is the number? 53? Is it 53?
கமெண்ட் ரன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
35.
35. Yes, in 35, how many digits are there?
2.
2. Okay, so first digit 3 will go to tens room or ones room?
1.
What about 5?
Come on.
Somebody is singing, come on, come on. Who is that? Zadie, can you stay on mute, Zadie? That's why I'm hearing disturbance here.
I'm not naked.
Yeah, I know. Zadie, can you please stay on mute? Yes, Vivan, please go ahead, Vivan. 3 will go to tens room. And what about 5?
I will go to 10.
No, the first number will go to tens and the second digit will go to
Once.
ones. Okay, Vivan. See, Vivan, when you have 2 numbers, the first number will go to tens place, tens room, and the second number will go to ones place. Okay? Yes, Vivan, tell me the next number now.
4. 8.
What is 4, 8?
48.
Okay, so where will 4 go? The first number will go to?
Tens.
The second number 8 will go to?
Ones.
Very good. Siddharth?
5 goes to 10's room. 2 goes to 1's room.
Very good, Siddharth. Vishank?
உட்கார் முதல்ல சொல்லு. சொல்லுங்க.
What
What
is
number
this?
is
6 or 9?
6.
Okay, the next number.
7.
6, 7.
6, 7. What number? First tell what number is that?
6.
6, 7. When you say it together, 6, 7. Is it 76 or 67?
76.
No. Is that? I'm very confused.
7?
Which is first? 6, 7.
1.
Ah, 67. 67. So the first number, what is the first number here?
6.
Okay, so 6 will go to which room? 10th room or 1's room?
10th room.
Okay, what about 7?
1st room.
Very good, Vishank. Okay. Prajesh.
85.
Okay, so how many digits are there? How many are there?
2.
2. Okay, what about 8? The first number will go to 10th room or 1's room?
Tens.
10s. Okay, the first number will go to 10th room. The second number will go to 1's room. Can you say one more time, Prajesh? First number 8
First number 8
goes to 10th room.
goes to 10th room.
Second number 5
Second number 5
goes to 1's room.
goes to 1's room.
1's room. 1's room. 1's room. Okay, so now I have got another example for showing this 10s and 1s. Okay, so Nitila is going to help me in counting. Ready, Nitila? Okay, I've got many crayons here. Okay, so what we are going to do is I want to group the crayons 10, 10. Okay, I want to group them 10 each. Okay, I want to group them 10 each. Will you help me, Nitila? Okay, let's count. Come on, quickly. 1.
1. 2.
Nitila, I will not count. You're going to count, and I'm not going to count. Okay, ready? 1, 2.
3. 4.
Fast.
6. 7. 8. 9. 10.
Okay. So now, how many 110 of crayon set is there? Okay, now the bigger crayons.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Mm.
5,
Mm.
and 6. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. So here I have 10 set of the different type crayons. Here I have the jumbo crayons 10. So I have 110, 210. So how many 10s do I have, Nitila?
10.
Very good. 2 10s I have. And do I have 10 here?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Do I have 10 crayons here? No. So I have 110 here, 210 here, and these are not 10 groups. So these will go to 1's place. Okay. So those which are 10s will go to 10's place, and those which are not in group of 10, which are not in count of 10, will go to 1's place. Okay. So now, as Nitila said, we have 110, 210, and then 4. So as we have 2 10s, under 10s we will write 2, under 1s we will write 4. Vishank, can you please come and sit in your place? Understood, everyone? So as I'll repeat, as we have 10s, 110, 210. So 2 10s. So how many 10s are there? Kavyani, how many 10s are there? 110, 210. How many 10s?
2 10s.
2 10s. And we have how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones.
4.
Yes. So under tens room we will write 2. Under ones room we will write 4. Okay. So now quickly an example. Now let me call Tarnika. Siddharth, you just got a chance there, Siddharth. Yes, Tarnika. Count how many are there crayons. How many crayons are there here, Tarnika?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, we have 4 crayons now. Do I have any tens here?
No.
So I have only ones. I don't have tens. So what should I do? In tens room, I will put 0. In ones room, I will write 4. Understood, everyone? I repeat one more time. Can you all please listen? 1, 2, 3, 4. In this slate, I don't have tens at all. So in tens room, I will put 0. In ones room, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. In ones, I will write 4. Understood? So we'll start doing the worksheet. I think you will have a better idea now. Can you all please take out your worksheet SRD32 MTWS01. Quickly, come on, children. We have already been used to last 2-3 months. So please take out your worksheet quickly. And what you should do after taking the worksheet? Aiden, what will you do after taking the worksheet?
Write name.
Very good. Please write your name then. Please write your name and mark today's date. Today's date is 9. Yes, 9th August. 9.8.21 and we are in Monday. Monday, August. August. Okay. So today is 9. So yesterday was, can anybody tell me? It's open question. Today is 9. So yesterday was
8.
8. And tomorrow will be? Today is 9. Yeah, today is 9. So tomorrow will be 10. Thank you. SRD32MTWS01. I'm sharing the screen. You will have onions and you will have, I think it's onion or turnip. And you'll have brinjal. The one we just started on Friday. Quickly, come on. Is anybody finding it difficult to find out the worksheet? Let me know. Pranita, Nukshita, Kavyani, everybody found out? Everybody has taken the worksheet. Please write your name and mark today's date, children. Today's date is 08.9, sorry. 9.8.21. Please write today's date 9.8.21 and we are going to start the worksheet right now. Okay, let me call, I was done with Nithila. Yes, Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Satvika, you're going to help me in counting. Ready, Satvika?
Ready, ma'am.
Okay, come on, count quickly, Satvika. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Here we have 110. Circle it, children. Next count, Satvika, count. Count, continue. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Here we have one more 10. Okay, count here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
One more 10. So how many 10s do we have here, Satvika? 1, 2. Very good. So we have to write 3 in tens room. TENS. Tens. Good, Satvika. You're very good in counting. Okay, come on, count the ones. Separate ones. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so we have. Do we have 10 here?
No.
No, we have only separate one like 5. So we have to write them under one's room. So 3, 5, 35. So 3 under 10's room, 5 under one's room. That makes 3, 5, 35. So there are 35 onions here. And how many tens? 3 tens. Very good, Satvika. Next, Sailesh. Okay, I think. Farnas.
Yes.
Sailesh, you can see.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Sailesh. Yes, Okay, Farnas. Come on, Farnas. Count how many brinjals are here. 1, quickly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so 10 brinjals. Let's circle it.
1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, here 10 brinjals. Okay, how many 10 brinjals are here, Farnas? How many 10?
2, 10.
Very good. 1, 10, 2, 10.
2, 10.
Very good. So please write 2 under 10's place. Now count how many ones are here. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How
6
many
ones.
ones are there?
6.
Do we have 10 here, Farnas? Do we have 10 brinjals here? Here do
No.
we have 10? No. So we should not write them under 10's place. We have single piece, so we should write them under 1's place. So what is the answer? 2, 6, 26. Can you just say 2, 6, 26?
2, 6, 26.
Thank you, Farnas. Okay. Then next, Dikshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dikshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sailesh, give me a second. I'll come back to you. Yes, Dikshan. What is a vegetable, Dikshan? Can you find out what vegetable is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
It's
9,
it's
10.
a It's a cabbage. Okay, 10. 1, 10. Now come on, we know, right? Let's circle. Come on, children, quickly. 1, 10. 2, 10. Come on, Dikshan, count 10.
2
3,
tens,
10.
3 tens, 4 tens,
Okay, 4 tens. And do we have tens here? Count 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Do we have tens here?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, so how many tens are there, Dikshan? 1, 10, 2, 10.
10, 3 tens, 4 tens.
4 tens. So please write 4 under tens. 4 tens are here. And how many ones are here? How many ones are here? Count again if you forgot. 1, 2.
6, 7, 8.
Okay, so the answer is 4, 8.
58. 48.
4, 8, 48. Okay, good. Siddharth.
Ma'am.
Okay, how many tens are here, Siddharth? How many tens?
1 second. How many things?
1 10.
1, 10. Okay. Only 1, 10?
Tens. 10.
No, Siddharth, listen to my question. Yes, only 1, 10. Do we have ones here? Do we have ones here?
Soluma, how many ones are there?
4.
4. Okay. So, how many tens are here, Siddharth?
4.
How many tens?
Listen to my, is that you are not listening? Listen to my question. How many tens are here? Tens.
Tens.
How many tens are here?
1 tens.
Very good. 1 10 is there. How many ones are here?
4 tens.
4 ones.
4 ones.
4. Okay, do we have 10 here? Do we have 10 here? Here only 4 potatoes, right? Then why did you say 4 tens? We have, yeah, 4 ones. Can you say 4 ones?
4 ones.
Okay, how many tens?
1 tens.
Okay. How many ones?
How many ones?
4.
Okay, so what makes 1 4?
1 4. 14.
Very good. Thank you, Siddharth. Everybody done? Quickly, we are going to move on to the next worksheet, SRD 33. Have everybody finished? If anybody hasn't done? Okay, next question. I'm moving on to Pranita. I'll come to you, Sailesh. Okay, I'll finish this and come back to you. Yes, Pranita, please take worksheet day 33, SRD 33, MTWS01, the same similar one. And please write your name, mark today's date, 9.8.21. Yes, Sailesh, you don't have worksheet right now. So can you please count how many tens are here, Sailesh? 1 10. Can't hear you, Sailesh. Pranita, did you find out the sheet, Pranita? SRT 33. Yes. Did you write your name? Come on, Pranita, count with me. How many strawberries? 1 10.
1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10.
Okay, how many tens, Pranita? Count one more time and tell me. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10.
5 10, 6 10.
How many tens?
6.
Very good. How many ones? How many ones? 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
How many ones? Very good. So what is 6 6?
6.
What is 6 6? 6 6. Okay.
66.
Very good. 6 6 66. Good. Nukshita. Very good. Yes, Nukshita, if you see in this bunch, there are 10 bananas. Okay. So each one is 110. We are going to circle like this and count. Children, I want all of you to circle like this in your worksheet. Are you all doing that? I'm just reminding again. You all have to circle like this in your worksheet. Only then it will be easy. Come on, Nukshita. Count, Nukshita. 110.
110.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. How many tens? 8 tens. And how many ones? 1. How many ones?
1,
Hmm.
3, 4.
4. Okay. So what is 8 4?
8, 4, 84.
Very good. Okay. Good. Rohita. Rohita, can you see the oranges? Come on. 110. 110, 210,
1, 3 10, 4 10,
Okay.
5 10.
Okay.
Okay.
Very good. How
Five.
many tens? 5 tens.
Five
Okay.
tens.
Count how many? How many ones?
Once count.
1.
Mm.
1, 2,
1,
3,
2,
4,
mm.
5, 6,
Mm.
7, 8.
8. Very good. How many ones?
What?
How many ones?
How many ones?
8.
You just counted. 8. Okay. So what is 5, 8? Rohita, what is 5, 8?
48.
No. 5, 8.
No.
58.
What is 5? Very good. 58. Okay. Yes. Hashini.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is this fruit, Hashini?
58 ma'am.
Apple. Hashini, why you look little sad today, dull? Is it?
Couple.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Okay, figure 5
Don't know. Okay. Come on, let's count apple. 110.
110 solo.
1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10.
How many tens are there?
7.
7. Yes. Okay, and how many ones?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So what is it? 7. 7, 4.
74.
Very good. 7, 4, 74. Did you all finish this, children? Anybody hasn't done? You have done. Has everybody circled it? Devkrish, can I see your worksheet, Devkrish? Can I see your worksheet? Yes, Neha. Okay. Devkrish, can you just circle it next time for the tens alone so it will be easy for you to count? Okay. Has everybody finished? Yes, Nitila. I can see only blank paper, Nitila. However, I think you're showing the others. Yeah, okay. Good, Nitila, you've circled it. I saw. Good. I saw that, Neha. Good. You didn't circle, but Neha, I believe, right? Did you?
Renita finished.
Renta finished. Good. Aidan, everybody finished? Good, Tarnika. Zedi is doing it. Okay. Everybody done? One more small one, we'll finish it. Just coloring alone. Okay. If you have a pencil, color pencil, you can take it up. Those who can. If not, you can use the pencil also. No problem. We are going to do the next worksheet. SR D35MT. SR D35MT.
Ma'am, this was it, ma'am.
Which one, Nukshita? Yes, yes. The same one, Nukshita. Correct. Okay, ready? Please write your name. SR D35MT. I'll share the screen right now. I'm sorry, I think I didn't share. SR D35, you'll have the abacus string beads like there. Did you all find it out? Okay, if you have found out, the first one I'm going to ask is, I have done. Okay, yes, Tarnika. No, sorry, not Tarnika, sorry, Devkrish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so have you found out the worksheet, Devkrish? Did you write your name?
That question, ma'am.
This one.
Okay.
found out? You found out. Very good. Write your name. Come on, quickly. You're the first person to help me. Come on. Please write your name. Please write today's date 9.8.21. 9th August. So the first one, we are going to do skip counting of 10. Okay? And we are going to color the 10th beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are going to do a skip counting of 10 and color the 10th beat. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like that. Okay? Okay, come on, Devkrish, start counting the first beat, Devkrish.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, what color you want? Your choice.
Orange.
Orange, okay. So I'm going to color orange. Is this the beat correct, Devkrish? Am I coloring the right one?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Devkrish. Tarnika, continue counting, Tarnika. 11,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, so skip counting of 10 after 10, 20. So we are going to color this. What
20.
color, Tarnika? What color?
Purple.
Purple. Okay, let me find out. Is this the one? No, this one? Yeah.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah, Pranita, tell me.
I want big
What?
girl.
You want what?
I want picture bigger, ma'am.
You want a bigger picture? I'll zoom it. Now, better?
No, ma'am.
I can't make even more bigger than this, dear. It's not visible for you. Can you just check at your side? I think it's clear for everyone. Others, who is the next person? Let me ask. Karthikeyan, is it clear for you what I'm showing, Karthikeyan? Or it's not clear?
Yes, ma'am.
It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pranita, I have just made it as big as I... Okay. Come on, Karthikeyan, count from 21, 21. Karthikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Skip counting of 10, we are coloring. Did you? 22.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30.
Okay, so what color you want for 30?
Green.
Green, okay.
Green.
Okay, so this is 10. This is 20.
10.
20 and now 30. 20. Okay. Next, Dhruv.
31.
32.
33, 38,
34. No. Sorry. 31.
31,
32.
32,
33. 34.
34,
35.
36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Very good. What color you want for 40? What color?
What color you want? Tell. What color you want?
Green.
Green.
Green again? Okay. Let me make it as a light green. 40. Color, children. If you don't have color, color it with a pencil. 40, 40.
Green.
Next, Neha. 41. Mm. Mm.
41.
Mm.
49, 50.
Very good. 50. What color?
50.
0.
Color.
Dhruv, can you stay on mute, Dhruv? Neha, what color? Green. Okay. Okay. 5050. Okay, good. Come on, color it and write 5050. Done, everyone. Skip counting of 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We have here 50. Okay, Kaviyarini.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say skip counting of 10 to 50? 10,
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Very good. Now we are going to do skip counting of 5. Okay, it's my chance now. We are going to quickly finish it and wind up the class. Okay, I think it's already late. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip counting of 5. I have chosen red here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip counting of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I've colored D35. SR D35 empty. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm going to color 15 as it is skip counting of 5. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Skip counting of 5. 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Count out, Pranita. Come on, look here and color, look at the screen and color, Pranita. Children, are you all coloring skip counting of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. I was searching for Janavi, wasn't there. Aiden was not there. Yes, Hashini. Can you say skip counting of 5, Hashini?
Five, 10, 15, 30, 20, 25, 30.
Very good. Okay. So have you all finished coloring? Any questions, you can stay back. Thank you so much for waiting patiently, children. I know it's late. I'll wait for you, Pranita. Don't worry, I'll wait for you. Okay, let others go. We too will do. Okay, Pranita. You found the worksheet late. No problem. Others, any questions, you can stay back. Otherwise, class is over for today. And thank you once again for staying. Good day, Krish. And see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Dharmika. Bye, Rohita. Bye, Zedi. Bye, Kartikeyan. Bye, Dhruv. Bye, Dikshan.
Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, Sat.